I'm going to give you guys an up-close look at the Gen 3 BMW B58 engine that recently got introduced on the 2023 X740i. Now, there was a lot of updates done to this third generation B58, and I'm going to give you guys an up-close look of what it looks like in person. Let's flip the camera behind and show you guys the engine. Big engine bay of the X7. So right away, I mean, pretty much all of the engine is covered by this engine cover. Now, compared to last year's or the Gen 2 B58 engine, we have a whole different cover here. So still has the traditional 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to show you the cylinders, but just a different redesign. Now let's take this off and show you what it looks like underneath. So the engine is much different. Now, this cover has a lot of foam in there to also help cover it from the ejector ticker noise, heat as well, everything like that. So that plays a very valuable part in it. But let's take a look at the up-close engine. Now, right away, you can see we have silver here. On the last Gen 2 B58, it was all plastic intake manifold with the air-to-water intercooler being part of that intake manifold. Now it looks like it is a little bit separated. So it's very interesting to see all this aluminum. You can start to see the vacuum lines and everything, and we can get a sneak peek right in here at the port injection. So BMW has gone over to direct injection for quite a while now, and we're coming back, and now we have both direct injection and port injection. Maybe the valves won't get as carboned up. It'll be interesting to see. But let's start down here. So we have the throttle body right here. It looks like the plastic charge pipe. Looks like it's a stiffer, harder plastic than they used to be. Comes all the way down along the front. I'm gonna turn the flash on. See if this helps view a little bit more. Looks like lots of vacuum lines. I'll be honest, I'm not a master technician, so I don't know everything that's down here. I have a decent amount, but there's still a lot of technology on these cars that I have no idea about. I do know the purple cables are now part of the 48 volt mild hybrid technology. I would have no idea what this valve is. Looks like we got more vacuum lines over there. Maybe that's coolant. I have no idea, if I'm being honest with you. All these vacuum lines coming in and around, and we got direct injection or port injection, lots of wiring harnesses and cables. I figured I'd just make this video for the people that were interested in seeing what it looks like underneath the engine cover, because I have access to it. Not a lot of people do, so I can give you guys an idea of what everything looks like here. Do with this information as you will. You know, your oil fill cap is really the most important thing. Coolant reservoir, nice and small compared to with, oh, maybe that's not coolant, because that's coolant. I don't even know what that is. Literally, maybe it's coolant as well. I honestly don't know. Something, lots of cables underneath there. I don't know. Let's look on the other side. Air intake is right there. Like, what is the purpose of this coming off for? I have no idea. Start to see some turbo hardware down there. Camera in. Start to see the little turbo snail. Big coil packs on this side, and just tons of wiring. Looks like a fuel injector pump right there for the direct injection. Carries over there. Lots of hoses. Everything's so shiny and clean when it comes in from the factory. All right, well, that's all I got. I just wanted to showcase you guys what that third gen B58 engine looks like without the cover on, that exposed engine bay and everything like that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it useful. If you guys want to see anything BMW related, drop it down in the comments below. If you guys are in the Toronto marketplace and you're interested in ordering up any brand new BMW or making any purchases, send me an email and I'll help you guys out. Make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.